Hello everyone, my name is Laura Castellon and today I'm going to answer some questions about pronunciation. Question 1. Over 400 people visited our library last month. Question 2. Staff at the sports center aren't available between 3 and 4 p.m. Question 3. Candidates should select one question only from each topic area. Question 4. All new students have to be registered with Ms. Clark by the end of Friday. Question 5. Provided that all equipment has been collected and stored, students may leave the classroom. Question 6. What type of company do the majority of IT students work in after finishing their degree? Question 7. Despite some initial mixed feelings, the new laboratory has proved itself to be an excellent facility. And question 8. Environmentalists agree that the continued use of private vehicles will result in worsening air pollution. And that's it. Thank you for your attention and to listen to me.